All right, number 8 from chapter 10, worksheet 2. The directions say to use the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to go ahead and write out leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. I know we sometimes use this, and I know we sometimes also use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Whichever one you're most comfortable with, just make sure that this guy, the one that's all by itself, is always the c, the hypotenuse across from your right angle. So that means your first leg will be square root of 6, your second leg will be square root of 2, and then your hypotenuse is c. So although it may look a little bit trickier because you have these radicals in it, it's actually a lot simpler because when you square a square root, kind of like when you add and subtract or when you multiply and divide, those are opposites. So these guys actually just kind of cancel each other out. So you're left with 6 plus 2 equals c squared, or 8. And then make sure you take the square root. In this chapter, we're not looking for decimals, so if you type this into your calculator, you are going to get a decimal. When you get a decimal, that should indicate to you to do a factor tree. So I've got all these prime numbers, my 2's. Remember, to bring something out, you need 2 of them. So I'm going to take these 2, this pair, and I'm going to bring it out. And then this one, who doesn't have a pair, has to stay inside. So 2 square roots of 2.